So I'm no longer doing that mistake because I've learned my lesson. So I bought a lot and I found hard time using them, and then I bought sensitive fabric, for example this, and told me they don't bring it because it is so expensive and it is rare to get, and people actually don't buy it that much. So hey loves, good morning. So today is Tuesday, and yeah, today is Tuesday and today is first. Happy new month. It's a new month. So I'm going to town. It's I think 10 a.m. and I'm going to town. I'm going to buy some fabrics. There are some outfits that I want to make. I'm going to buy some fabrics, and I have a trip that is coming soon. I also have to buy some fabrics to make a beach bikini and outfit. So that's what I'm going to do in town. And then I'm not going to delay, because when I come back I have an outfit that I want to sew. Yesterday I was just cutting and I have to sew it, and I also have to sew some of the outfits that I'm going to be using on my trip, on a coming trip. So stay tuned, okay? Otherwise, happy new month. My outfit, I'm putting on black and this skirt. I'm also wearing my natural hair. Yeah, that's it. See, for the perfume I'm going to be using my Atlantis red. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be wearing today, and we leave this house. That is it, guys. I'm going to be putting on sneakers because yesterday it rained. I don't know how town looks like right now. So guys, see you when I come back, okay? Well, I went for fabric shopping because there's some things that I'm planning to do with my brand. I'm rebranding when it comes to my fashion. So I'm going to still be doing the same things that I've been doing, but I want to rebrand and I want to be focusing on one or two things that will be representing my brand. So I've been having fabric. I actually made a mistake in the beginning when I was buying or shopping for fabrics. I went and I shopped so many fabrics. I bought a lot and I found hard time using them, and then I bought sensitive fabric, for example this, and it has spent like 8 months without me touching it, but eventually I overcame my fear and I decided to work with it. So I'm no longer making that mistake because I've learned my lesson. So a tip to you guys, everyone, if a beginner, even if you're not a beginner, a lot of fashion designers do make this mistake, like you go and shop for a lot of fabrics. No, now what you have to do is you go and shop for a few fabrics that you know that you're going to use for that period of time, like, and then if it's done, you go back and buy, because you may buy a lot of fabrics and then you end up not using it. Sometimes you end up seeing another fabric that is better, another material that is better, and then you end up keeping that one in the drawer. So that's what has been happening to me. So the fact that I'm rebranding, I decided not to make the same mistakes that I made in the beginning or previously, and I went and bought fabrics. So yes, I know I'm going to be sticking to this, but I also had to I went and shopped, and I want come, I want to use this fabric, I want to sew, and then I finish it all. So if I get the best results out of it, because primarily I wanted a different fabric, but I moved the whole Kampala and I couldn't find it, so I think I just have to import it in the country. So I bought and something else, something that I think can make or can give me the results that I'm going for, and then I went for a different fabric. So I'm going to try them and then see what will like and see whether I'll be getting the best results. So I went and bought three types of fabrics, and three different colors. So that's what I'm going to be working with in the beginning. If it gives me the same and the better results, of course I'll be going back and make another and shop for a lot and more fabrics with the same material and type of material, and then I proceed with my work. So without wasting a lot of time, this is what I bought, and I love it. I really love it, though there are two different fabrics, but some of it is, I think it is hard to work with because it is so stretchy, too stretchy, but the end results, according to what I saw some of the outfits that I'd made out of it, and they came out really well. They came out really well, and I expect to have the best results. So this is all that I bought. It looks quite much, right? Yeah, it is, but it's not too much actually. By the way, I have poor, I don't know, but me with shopping, I don't know. Anyway, before I show you my fabric, I went to town, and actually I was coming back yesterday. I promised myself not to buy unnecessary things that weren't on a budget, but I ended up buying this. I have like 2 nights actually that I am using right now, and I felt like I needed more. I found these 2 pieces and I bought them. Yeah, I bought them, and I think they're looking nice. I can't wait to rock this. So I'm going to wash them and then I wear them. I hope they will be okay. So fabric number one, I bought this. So fabric number one, I bought this maroon soft coat. Primary I wanted to go for soft cotton, no, heavy cotton, but I looked in the whole Kampala, I couldn't find it. They told me they don't bring it because it is so expensive and it is rare to get, and people actually don't buy it that much. So that's why I'm suffering. So I wanted to get heavy cotton, but I couldn't find it, so I went for soft sponge. Yeah, I went for soft sponge. It stretches but not that much. I can work with it. I think working with it won't be that hard. Yeah, so I bought 3 meters of this at 15,000 each. Yeah, it's kind of heavy, but I just hope it's going to give me the best result that I'm going for. I tried hemming it to see the volume that comes out, but I think it's not that bad. Yeah, so this is fabric number one. These are 3 meters. About it in this color. Now this is soft cotton, but it's kind of hard. Even the feel of it is different from this one. Now this is very soft. This is very soft. This is also soft sponge, but it is soft and like, look at it, it is very soft. The feel is different. I think the fabric that they used on these two are different, and yeah, look at that. I love the color. Look at this color. I don't know, this is maroon. No, this is cream. I don't know the color, the exact color, but it's in, I think, cream something. I'm not sure of that. Okay, you know, we have a lot and lots of colors that I can't even complete. Shtegera colors even ninja, but if I get to know the color of this, I think I will tell you that, but I can't wait to rock this. Actually, this is my favorite of all, because you know I'm that person who doesn't like colors, like colored things. So I think this goes in nude. This is actually a nude shade, and I think it is better. However, this looks like it's going to bring out the thing that I'm going to be working on more beautiful. I don't know. So there is only one way to find out, just by doing it. So these are also 3 meters, and I want to get 2 pieces out of them. Yeah, I love it. So we have this one. This is the 3rd one. Now I forgot the name of this, but it has this it has these strips inside. I love the details, guys. I think the camera is not giving justice to this, but it has nice details. Actually, I bought this at the last moment, okay, because I left that building. I actually bought them in these two. I bought them in city shopping mall near Ham. And then this one, I was actually moving out. I just crossed to another building, and then I found it. I didn't find the material first, but I found a shop. They had made an attire out of it. Primarily, I'd not seen this fabric before when I was buying this too. I'd not seen it, but the attire was really nice, and I really wanted something that would be having details, because these two, they are really plain. They don't have any design out of like in them. But I found this, and then I asked that guy where he shopped these materials from. Bambi Yabadem Lounge, and he directed me, so I had to go back and then look for it. It came in, it has like, I found many colors, but I think I wanted to try something that was a bit popping. That's why I went for this. It's really nice, but it is so stretching. So when you're working with this, you really have to be very careful with the measurements and then the stitching part of it, because you can make actually a lot of mistakes. So those are the materials that I bought, and I'm going to be working with them. If I get the best results, of course I'll be working with them meanwhile, as I find what I really want most. But they're really good. Actually, I bought this at 17. It is kind of expensive than the other one, but yeah, that's all I had for today. Speaking of shopping, I went for a monthly shopping, grocery shopping. You know, I do that every month or every after 2 months. So I went for a monthly shopping, grocery shopping, and I shopped, I think, for like 2 or 3 months. Yeah, most things, because I don't use much. Yeah, so the video is on my channel if you've not watched it. It's about how much what 450,000 Ugandan shilling can get you in Uganda. So go and watch it, and if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. If you have any question about fabric shopping, you can drop it. I'll be in position to reply to you. Previously I made a video on how I bought my land, how much and where. So if you've not watched it yet, you can go and watch it. It's still on my channel, and I think you're going to be inspired. And if you have any questions about buying land, they're really available with someone I trust. He is my relative and he's in real estates. So if you just stay stuck, go ahead and watch the video, leave your comment, or hit me on my Instagram in my inbox at Check My Love. I'll be leaving it in the description. Otherwise, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and bye. Good night.